Good morning, students. Today now we see the topic Geetanjali. Now we have to see first and second collections of the Geetanjali, and rest of the collections we will see later. Thou hast made me endless. Thou updates consider as a God. God is like endless for me. They give pleasure to me. If they have frail vessels it means the broken vessels. The broken vessels it is though empty, if you have to fill the water like that, I am also empty. As a God, you will fresh in my life, and that God will be flesh in our life. It only says and fillest it above with fresh life. Through the fresh life, the God will give pleasures and also fill in me again and again. The author says, next line, these little flutes of your reed, and thou hast carrying our hills and dales, and hast breathed it melodiously eternal new. The flute sounds its go through the hills and dales. Through the hills and dales, it's so hearing melodiously the eternal news. It means they come from the long distance. If you have to hear the song through the long distance, it's considered as so sweet. Like that, the flute sounds make go through hills and also dales, somewhere it's go, and also it here too melodiously so sweet. And next at third line, at the immortal touch of thy hand, and my little heart, those and little heart, lost its limit in joy and give both to utterance ineffable. If the God touch me through the song, God we have to see me. If the singer they have to sing a song, so God will come and hear the song. Some people they have to superstitiously believe, no. So like that, author says, if the God has hear the song, it should be touch her heart. Through this touching, her heart is lost and also joy unlimitedly. They have to enjoy more lot. If in the time they give the birth of utterance, they have to speak some words, but it can't unable to unconsciously they have to speak. And also next line, thy infinite gifts come to me only on this very small hand of mine. An age paused, and still thou pourest, and still there is a room to fill. Thy infinite it means more and more it's considered as a infinite. It's so long, it's never find it. It's a infinite number of gifts. It's give through our small hand. That boy or authors considered as a small hand. In that small hand, they got infinite number of gift. God will given. And next, at the age passed, if the age of 15 is considered as now, how to cross overcome the ages, even though if we have to go 45 or anywhere, the God will pour us through still. And that gift should be make full with the rooms. They have to enjoy through her song. The poem says, first part of collection says this. First give the pleasure to her and also clean her life, give the fresh life. And second line says, like a fruit, my song is here, go on the hills and dales. And third line is considered as a God touch. Through the God touch, I will speak utterance infallibly. They consider. At last, fourth line, they give the gift. God give the gift to that person. the author have to imagine. And next is second collections. We will see. When thou commandest me to sing, it seemed that my heart would broke with pride. And I looked to thy face, and tears come to my eyes. The God says they have to command singing. It's make the pride to me, and also my heart is broken. That much of pride it's given her songs. I look the face. It's come the eyes in the look tear happily tears. It's come through her eyes. And next is second lines. All that is harsh and dissonant in my life melt into one sweet harmony, and my adoration spread the wings like a glad birds on its flight across the sea. Harsh, it should consider as a customs of a life, and desolated also. They what can do that he didn't know about her. Like that harsh things should be melt through her song. After that melt, it gives the sweet harmony to her heart. If the bird cross across the sea and above the sky, they have to enjoy. They didn't know the under and there is no sea water. They didn't about know that sea waters. They happily, they gladly, they have to fly through the sky. So like that, her wings is her songs make to fly under the clouds and also above the sea. They have to enjoy. And next, I know thou takest pleasure in my singing. I know that only as singing a singer I come before thy the presence. In this line it says, through her singing I gave pleasure to you. I know it. And the author says, and next, if I know through I am a singer, through this I come before in front of you, and also I presence in front of you, the author says. Otherwise I won't present. If I am a singer, that only I come before in front of you, the author says. Next, fourth line. I touch by the edge of a far spreading wings of my song thy feet, which I could never aspire to reach. The wings, if the God touches, if I touch through the song God, the God will be happy and give something. So that only the wings are spreaded through her song, and they have to fly and reach the feet of the God. After reach the feet of the God, the aspire also, her desire also, it's go and reach the God. At last line, drink with the joy of a singing, I forgot myself and call the friends who are heart my Lord. In this line, if you have to deep into the happy world, like that, they drink the singing. They have to forget everything, even though forget herself also. I forget myself, and he says, through that call the friends. God will call like a friends that person. It means other or some person they have to identify. And next, who art my Lord? It's considered as a my Lord. It's mean God. Okay, children, thank you for watching this. If you have to like this video, please comment, share and subscribe my channel.